Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you how to add money to Metamask with credit card. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. First up, when you head over to Metamask, it should look something like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on buy basically and make sure that whatever crypto or thing that you want to buy, it is over here. So we're going to click on buy for that one, and then it's going to ask for the payment method, like how do we want to buy. So right here it says debit or credit, so we're going to click on that one. After that, it will bring us to a page like this where it says the amount to buy. So we'll put in like you want to buy what you want to buy and the amount, and then you see at the bottom it should say debit or credit because that is our payment method. After that, it will ask us to put in our credit information. You're going to do all of that, and finally you're going to confirm it, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.